So this is definitely not what I expected. This is the situation, you guys, but let's sort it out and then we talk. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. As you might have seen, some things don't go as we have planned, but I just want to show you the progress and then take it from there. Why you saw what you saw, the guy was not used to like connecting the pipe from the shower to the bathtub. You remember when we moved in, if you have watched our flat tour, I showed you guys the bathroom that we wanted to like give it an update, of which this is what we have done, and I'm so excited and blessed about it. But he was not used to like connecting the pipes from the shower to the bathtub. That's why there was like now a leakage, so he had to redo this before I filmed the video. So now that is why there are no tiles there, but I think next week or sometime next week he'll be able to like finish off everything. And you guys, everything came as I have imagined. The machine is here. So now we are just going to accessorize it with what we have, like not a lot. I've already put my artificial stuff there. I have the pine cones. We are already approaching Christmas, so I think it's just the perfect season to decorate with pine cones. They make so much sense. And then here I have my artificial plant that we I showed you guys, I'm sure, on another video. If you're not regular, if you're not new to the channel, if you are new, thank you so much for joining in. I hope you do enjoy your stay. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. We do a lot of homemaking videos, be your cooking, updating the homes, DIYs, everything that has to do with home, we do it here. So on the window there we have painted, and then also up there we have painted, because you guys remember there was a frame there, and then even though it's not even, but we have worked on that. We have painted it, and also the frame of the window we have washed it on the inside, but however outside is still not washed. And so I do remove that shower thingy when the girls are not washing their hair, but it's just perfect when they are washing their hair. I'm just using it for that. And also I'm sure you guys have seen this cabinet on the previous video. Now we have painted it white. We used the paint that was not meant for the cabinet, but still it looks proper, it looks okay. And then the main is to put like the floating shelves from this side to this side, like 2 floating shelves, so that we can have like space for other bathroom stuff, even for laundry. When I'm like folding laundry, I can always put it here before I can take it to the other rooms. And then obviously here I would like to put the mirror, but now that this cabinet is that high, I'm thinking that the mirror should start from there, from where the cabinet starts, and then it should end somewhere here. So I need like a specific long mirror for that purpose. As you can see, the machine is here, and then now I can be able to do laundry this side. So what I meant by not being used to connecting the pipes, you guys, he's a plumber, so he obviously knows. It's just that the structure of this place, we are living in we are sharing, to be exact, we are living in a flat, so some of the things, the way they are connected, they should all be aligned. It is the first time I think he came across such situation, but he is good with at what he does. It's just that his work is not so clean, but other than that, we are happy, and we are planning on using his services also for the kitchen. So this is what we bought to clean the grout on the tiles. I'm not done, you guys. This product is very harsh. It is harmful in a way. Because I'm breastfeeding, I don't do it that much unless my husband is home. Then I can like wear the gloves, the mask. It's advisable that you do that all the time when you are using that product. It is effective. It's just as I've used it on the bottom side of the tiles. You guys can see some of the tiles are clean, some of the tiles are not clean, but I've promised you guys this video, and I'm struggling with my other device. I have a lot of videos that side, because you guys would remember that I wanted to participate in Vlogtober. I was planning on participating in Vlogtober, but because of my other device, like it's giving me like issues. The editing, to be exact, is giving me issues. I even paid for Cape Cuts, but still like it was an issue. Please do advise on a free app that I can use to edit my videos on the PC preferably. So if you are new to the channel, thank you so much, you guys. 3 of you have shared my video last time. I really appreciate you so much. It doesn't go unnoticed. I do have a business of selling baskets. My like extended family are the one who are making them back at home, and then we do the touches of leather, my husband and myself. So if you want to make a purchase, do go on our Instagram page at Ezimbengeni. I'll just leave it on the description box below if you are interested in purchasing any of our baskets. You can also customize them for you if you like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so in love with this rug. I'm in love with the color. It is so beautiful. You guys know when it comes to Pep Home and affordability, when it comes to rugs, it is the best. It makes me so happy. It is at night, so I'm sorry about the quality of the video if it's not that bright, you guys, but I hope you can see everything that we have done. It is a work in progress. So this cabinet, it was on purpose for it to be this high, because you guys, you know, when you have kids, all the toilet rolls end up in a toilet seat somehow. So we'll just keep the toilet tissues that we are not using on top of this cabinet, and then inside as well I'm still planning on getting a wallpaper. I saw one from Pep, it was 200 rand, so I'm going to budget for it, and then I buy it, like do a wallpaper inside that cabinet, and then I use it as a storage, either for extra toothpastes, toothbrush, extra face cloth for someone maybe who's visiting us. I just want to keep those things extra. You guys, this is so functional. Like, this bathroom is so small, but yet very functional. You can see that I'm using it as a laundry room as well. So those hangers, I'm going to maybe hang like a few items that are still like not dry. If I do have them, I'll hang them there. And we do have a washing line inside the room as well, because I normally don't go outside to hang laundry, you guys. I'm not comfortable with doing that. I think it is because they've stole some of our stuff. So yeah, I've shared that in the membership, on the membership channel, because you guys, I feel safer at that side. Because this side, I don't want it to sound like I'm complaining. I'm very grateful, you guys, for everything that we have. And you know, it is always
advisable for you to love your space the way it is. Just clean it, love it the way it is, and then whatever changes that you want to make in future, they will happen if you continue to love your space, because the word of God encourages us to love our space the way it is, like serve and show up in every way you can.
So I thought I closed off like I was closing the video yesterday, you guys, but I just forgot something. But please do share. Do you think it would be cluttered if we put the shelf from there, just to, I don't like to say my machine, you guys. Besides that, it's old. Like, I think it would be more organized if I put the shelf up here, and then the machine and the basket will be under that shelf. Please do leave me a comment. I think in that way I'll be able to put in the basket, and then not put the shelves up here. So instead of here, maybe I should just add the shelf there, like from the door, from that old frame to maybe like before the bathtub. Please do comment, you guys. I really do need your help, but I'm thinking that can work best. I don't know. So like I need to clean there, you guys. There are some, is it hinges or what, but there's something missing there, you guys, so that the door doesn't like flips when we open it. It misses those I'll just show them, I'll just insert a picture so that it makes sense for you as well, what I'm trying to explain. And then for the mirror, I wanted like a frame to like DIY it. These are the planks we are planning to use. I think that we will double them here, and then maybe we stain them like dark wood, and then maybe here as the time goes by we will get like a bench, but I don't want to pay the normal price for a bench, you guys. I want to thrift it. So this is the cement. We bought the cement to cover that space for the tiles. Luckily we still have a box of tile that was left from the project, and we're not going to use it on the kitchen, so at least now it's going to be of use. But yeah, I'll update you guys with that. I'll just show you maybe in another video, and then also maybe show you that. But yeah, that's actually what's missing. But other than that, we are good. Now we are closing it off, you guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you a lot. See you guys on my next upload. Bye for now.